Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make an origami paper box. Take a piece of paper of the measurements given, fold it into two equal halves. Press well. Now from the other side, press well. Open it. Fold. Press well. Now from the other side. Done. Turn back. Fold it as shown. Press well. Now fold a leaf shape. Then from the other side, the same step. Turn it. Repeat the steps. Now this one. Done. Open it. Press. From the second side, open and press. From the third side, open and press. Now from the fourth side, again open and press. Now fold it from the other side too. Now the third side and the fourth one. Fold the top. A cone type shape has formed. Press well. Now fold it from the other side too. Press well. From the third side, the same step and repeat it on the fourth side. Open it so the base is formed. Sharp the edges. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials. Now fold it inwards. From the second side. Then from the third. Alright. Now glue each side. Don't forget to share our videos with your friends, family members and relatives. Now from the other side. and the fourth one. Done. Press well. And it's done. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.